Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've decided to go for a little ride down to the coast. It's 4 degrees, so obviously why wouldn't you go to the coast, because it's going to be much warmer down there. Basically I've got a drone that I've barely used, so I thought I would go and get some little picturesque videos to share with you guys, and I thought I'd bring it along with me. So let's jump on, let's go.
So morning guys, and welcome back aboard the Versys. Oh, it's even colder than I said it was. It's 3 degrees and I am feeling it, if I'm honest. Yeah, so today the plan pretty much is to shoot down to Hunstanton. Well, Hunstanton Cliffs ideally, and then hopefully go on to Cromer, get the drone up, and hopefully get some decent footage on the drone. It's the first time I've used a drone, if I'm honest. Well, first time in anger to try and get some footage, because I've used it messing around with it, but I've never actually used it. Actually going to get some footage to post, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so no reason why I'm out today really is I had my second advanced riding lesson yesterday. So I'm looking at practicing some of the stuff he recommended I practice, just to polish up my riding really, so I'm ready for the test. He's hoping that next session will be a trial test, shall we say, and then hopefully about a booking of my test, and fingers crossed all goes well. So yeah, I thought I'd get out and practice some of the stuff he was saying, and why not? It's a nice sunny day, bit cold admittedly, but yeah, I mean, why not get on the bike today? Look at it, beautiful lovely sunny weather. Alright, it is pretty cold, but the roads ain't too bad. They're not brilliant, they could be better obviously, but they're not too bad. I don't really think it's going to be that warm at the coast, if I'm honest, but so I'm going to get the best scenery hopefully. So another reason why I've decided to come out today is, I don't know if you see on my Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, by all means please do. I bought a new mount for my GoPro for my helmet. I don't mind the actual GoPro helmet mounts, but I just don't like the idea of having things stuck to my helmet. I'm not over keen on that, so I wanted more of a something I can clamp to the helmet. And after trawling the internet trying to find a mount that I thought would be suitable for what I wanted, someone I follow on YouTube actually done a review on some mounts that he uses. The Gorilla Biker. If you don't subscribe to his channel, definitely give it a go. Channel's pretty good. Yeah, he done a review on some mounts that he uses for his cameras, and one of the mounts he uses was this I think it's a Danjo. I don't know, I'll put the name in the video. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's basically just a grip mount, exactly what I was after. I'll post some pictures up on the video showing you sort of ideas that you can have for the mount. It's so versatile. When I originally only bought it for mainly for my helmet, but in actual fact it's actually really useful for all sorts of stuff. So they're quite expensive. They're about £50 I believe. Although it's quite pricey, it does everything and more than I want it to do. So you know, if it's going to get used every day, which it will do obviously when I'm motovlogging or out on the bike. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm not wearing my normal shoe helmet I would do on this bike, just purely because that helmet's already got a mount stuck to it, which I weren't really keen on doing. But now I've got this mount, if I like it, I'm going to take that mount off and just switch between the two helmets with this gripper mount. It's so much better. So guys, this road's this journey, should I say, not the road, this journey's pretty dull and boring. So what I'll do is I'll speed you up, and then when I get to my destination and go for a wander over the cliffs hopefully, I'll turn you back on. I'll chat to you again then. Speak to you in a bit. Seafront and cliff. Sounds about right, doesn't it? Let's go down there then, shall we? Welcome to the seaside, guys. There's a cafe, which is good because I am cold and I need a drink. Oh. Let's bang it here. So I made it time to something. Ain't too bad really, it's not that cold. Don't go too far because everything's in the bike. You're on camera, love. Make sure you pick that up. Right, let's go have a look. Hey guys, a bit of off-roading for you before I leave. Now I have to remember how to get home. So I hope you enjoyed that anyway, guys. It's like I say, I was just playing. It's the first time I've really used the drone, to be honest. I'm complete and utter novice. No idea what I'm supposed to be doing with it. I'm just having a bit of a play. Quite enjoyed it, to be fair. Something different to do on a Friday afternoon, isn't it? Unfortunately, I only had 2 batteries because the other battery didn't charge in time before I left, so bit of a pain really, but there you go. Homeward bound then. Hunstanton is such a nice place. It's really popular for bike meets as well, on the promenade. I think that's the right word. There's loads of bikes go down in the summer. Gets absolutely heaving. In actual fact, there probably will be a video on the channel of us down there. It's got to be done really. Turned out not to be too cold either, which is quite nice. I thought we'd be absolutely freezing on that beach, but no, it's quite nice. Then again, saying that, I am like proper laid up, so I wasn't feeling nothing. I'm really glad I put this helmet on today actually. I don't normally wear this helmet like I said, but my other one hasn't got a tinted visor on it. I only wear sunglasses, but because it's cold they steam up all the time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the footage. from the drone. Like I say, this isn't going to be a long video today. It was just for me to get out and have a bit of a play, enjoy the bike on a nice day, practice some of my IAM stuff because I need to get some practice in, and just give this this helmet mount a go. Really, see what I thought of it. I would highly recommend one. Like I said to you earlier on, it's really versatile. It's nice that you can just whip it off the helmet, attach it to anywhere on the bike, so if you wanted to vlog on it as well, you can do, and when you're done, just whip it back on the helmet and away you go. It's really nice instead of obviously the standard GoPro mounts, which, you know, which work brilliantly, but it's just nice to be able to whip it off on and off when you want to. Massive thanks to the Gorilla Biker as well for doing his mount reviews. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have found this mount, and this is literally perfect for what I wanted, so thank you, Gorilla Biker. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'll let you get on with your day, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. Catch you later.